What's going on? I'm Donald Washington. I'm your host. I'm going to bring you guys to New Age Beverage Corporation, also known as NBEV as the stock ticker. Now, NBEV, they sell healthy drinks and they're very successful at it, as I'm going to bring you guys to their financial charts. However, NBEV, they made their biggest announcement October 10th actually, when they announced that they're going to be selling CBD based drinks as soon as the new Farm Bill passes. Now, the Farm Bill of 2014 has expired, and they're looking to pass the new Farm Bill. So, one of the things, this is the website that you guys are seeing. I'm gonna show you guys on how to research, get to know the product that you're investing in. This is Donald Washington. So I'm gonna bring you guys. So now, first, I want to bring you guys to the website. This is their website at Age BEV, NewAgeBev.com. So now, this is some of the products. I'm gonna bring you guys just to get a little bit comfortable with their website. This is some of the drinks that they make, and this is the brands. You're gonna see some of their products. Some people even buy and test some of the products. As holding stocks, you are an investor of this particular company. And so I want you guys to get comfortable with the products and the company that you're investing in, especially getting to know what they sell, how they sell it. This is one of the Coco Libre, one of their healthy drinks. They're very successful at it. I'm also bring you guys to their new announcement that they just made recently this week. Their collaboration with another company and opening up into other markets. Okay, so I want you guys just to go through their website. They got a new Bob Marley drink. Bob Marley doesn't, or his family doesn't have anything to do with it, however, but it does has his name. So I want you guys just to get familiar. Get to read about some of the products that you're investing in before you invest in the stock. So just go ahead, take a look at their website, get to know it, get familiar with it, flip through some of the stuff that they are selling. You want to read a little bit about the company, what they do, what year they came out, just a little history. It kind of gives you about New Age, health science, 11 major patents, corporation, investor relation, hold on, let's see. And so just get a little bit comfortable. So now, NBEV today, this is in the middle of the day. Today is December 6th. As of December 6th, NBEV is trading today. And this is at the middle of the day at $4.72 as of right now. If you take a look, this is on TD Ameritrade. You're going to see that the previous close was $4.58. Today's open was $4.26. And you can see now that it's up. It went up to $4.78. You can see a few other information. You can kind of take a look at its outstanding shares is 72.8 million. So what you want to look for here is the daily highs. Today's high was at 485 and today's lows was at 415. But I also want you guys to take a look at this is a year. As you can see right there, this is the chart for a year. And as you guys can see, in October when Canada legalized marijuana, everything involved in marijuana skyrocketed October 17th. And so you want to be aware of where NBEV was at in that skyrocket. And that was at a little bit over $8. And then after all the hype and everything was said and done, it came back down to about where you see it at, 478. Now, this is some experts' predictions for New Age Beverage Corporation. Now, 3 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for New Age Beverages Corporation have a median target of $4 with a high estimate of $7 and a low estimate of $4. The median estimate is minus 16.32% decrease from the last price of $4.78. So now what you want to see is what it has is this 12 months, and you see it's $4.78, and they're forecasting the next 12 months to go as high as $7 and as low as $4. So now what I want you guys to do is, once you decide on a company that you like, go to marketwatch.com and pull up the stock ticker that you like, and this is New Age Beverage, and go to financials. You want to go to financials, and what you're looking for is their gross income. Are they making money? Are they profitable? Here's their sales revenue that they made $1 million, $2 million. And in 2017, you can see that they more than doubled their income. Now, you want to take a look at the gross income. That's the gross income at $12.4 million. This is for 2017. They made a gross income of $4 million. However, their net income was a minus $3.54 million. Their net income was in a negative, in the red, 3.4 million. And the EBITDA, which is equity earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, EBITDA is also in the red as well. So I want to bring you guys to their balance sheet. You kind of take a look at the balance sheet, which is the same thing. Income statement. With the income statement, when you're looking at the sales, $52 million, a gross income of 12.4, and you want to come down to the net income, which you can see is a negative 3.5, and the EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation. So that's something you want to take a look at. Are they constantly earning money, or are they losing money? So now on December 3rd, they had some big news, and this story is going to read why New Age Beverage stock jumped today. Now here's what they're announcing. Shares New Age jumps 8.6% as of 3:41 Eastern Time Monday, rises as much as 15% earlier in the day. The big move came after the company announced that it was acquiring Miranda Holding. The Utah-based company specializes in health beverages for $85 million and $75 million in cash and $10 million in New Age stock. So what? A combination of New Age Beverages and Miranda definitely changes dynamics for both companies. The resulting company will rank as the 40th largest non-alcoholic beverage company in the world, with $300 million annual net revenue, according to New Age. The big advantage for this deal is to give New Age Beverage access to 60 countries where Miranda currently operates, the most important being Chinese and Japan. New Age especially hopes to distribute its new cannabis oil CBD. Hold on, let's go back. CBD beverage using Miranda's network. Miranda's business model focused on direct-to-consumer and internet sales. The company works with more than 160,000 independent distributors across the world. Integrating New Age beverage products into the offerings of these distributors shouldn't be too difficult. The company thinks this acquisition will be achieved more than $10 million over the next 12 to 18 months. These include intermediate sales savings over $2 million. Now what? The transition should close in late December. It's not likely there'll be any significant obstacles. Overall, it appears that it will position New Age Beverage as a great global success. The big thing to watch, though, is the status of the 2018 Farm Bill. This legislation, which legalized hemp in the U.S., appears now to be on track to potentially become law. If it does, New Age Beverage should have a tremendous opportunity. That's why I'm telling you guys that this stock is a buy for me. for its CBD infused beverage in the U.S., which could be a $22 billion market in 2022. That's what I'm telling you guys. So it's 2000, about to be 19. This is why you want to invest as a long-term investment. I'm also bring you guys. This is a little bit of information on the Farm Bill. Prepare for hemp legalizations in the Farm Bill. Despite the delay in the Farm Bill, hemp it comes to federal legally in the U.S. It's likely to become advanced for removing the list scheduled up-and-coming Farm Bill. He championed for a position from the 2014 bill that distinguished industrial hemp from marijuana based on the THC content. This made it legal to grow hemp through agricultural programs and universities. Industrial hemp is considered any part of the cannabis plant with more than 0.3% THC on a dry basis. The 2014 bill. I'm gonna put the link to this in my description box. You guys can read on the new Farm Bill, and I want you guys to go through it. Read through the new Farm Bill so that you guys can see when this new Farm Bill. But just like the legalization of marijuana in Canada, everybody, you want to buy when everybody else is selling. You don't want to buy when everybody else is buying. So like the day, let's say they announce December 21st that they're going to legalize, they're going to pass the new Farm Bill with the CBD. You don't want to buy it that day because it's going to raise the stock. Stock is just going to go. Then all of a sudden it's just going to come tumbling down. You want to buy when everybody else is selling. So that's why I'm telling you guys that it's a buy for me. Also want to show you guys on what to look out for. So now, when you guys are confused on what to buy and need some help to understand on what to buy and do you think this is a good buy, I want you guys to get used to the message boards. This is the Yahoo message board. As you can see, this is the NBEV message board here. And you guys kind of take a look at what everybody else is thinking. Because understand this. Stocks are consumer based on what everybody's thinking. So if everybody gets a bad report and starts selling, that brings their stock price down. If everybody gets a report that says, oh, this is going to be the next best thing, then people go out and buy it. But you don't want to buy when everybody else is buying. You want to look at the average price where it's at and the predictions. So if it goes up to $9 when the new Farm Bill passed, and that's the highest it's ever been, I wouldn't recommend buying at $9. I would wait, see what the market does, and see if it's going to come back down to a reasonable price. So now here's what everybody else. This is a Yahoo message board. Whatever stock that you invest in or thinking about investing in, go on the Yahoo message board, become a part of it, and see what everybody else. Post your questions on what you think about the stock. Should you buy or should you sell? And you can get everybody else's opinion. Now, so this is the Yahoo message board. Somebody said almost sold it this morning in a paddock, feeling real good. Not selling decisions. Somebody said that was fun. Any predictions for tomorrow? And then you can see the replies. I doubt it. Go to 5 because when the panic. Go to December stock. Somebody said 5.25 close tomorrow. That's what they're predicting. A lot of people were predicting $5 close tomorrow. Best predicting if it tanks. So as I bought a lot today. Somebody said 20,000 shares at 5.2. I got time long. Let's get this juice. Curious on how the stock will perform. Awesome. Okay, losing. So you want to kind of go through the stock board, the message board. See what everybody else is saying. See what they think about the stock. You can go back to the previous days. A lot of people will be posting articles on NBEV or whatever particular stock you want to invest in. This is what everybody's saying. They're giving you the facts. They're giving you articles to read. They're posting links on what's the rumor. You want to follow the news. You want to be the first on news. Just like a Freya out of Canada stock. They got some bad news that morning and everybody instantly went and sold. It was once, a Freya was once $20. And Monday morning when they got that bad news, they said it went from literally from like about $11 to $12 to $4 in 2 days. That's because everybody was keeping up with the news. So once you invest in stock, you want to keep up with the news on the stock that you invest in, because sometimes you may get a report that the CEO has been, could be something malicious or something defrauding its investors or something in that nature. So, the message board is a pretty good message board to kind of keep up. There's a CNN, the one I pay attention to, CNN predictions, but the one on my watch list and message board is Yahoo, that I participate in and kind of conversate with everybody, and you can kind of get their opinion. Is it a yes? Is it a no? What do you guys think? Should I wait? Should I go? Everybody else is doing their research. They're looking up stocks. They're figuring out what to buy. So NBEV is definitely a plus to me. They just made a big deal with Miranda Company, so they can it's a go ahead for a large world market. They're waiting on this new farm bill to pass, and I think once both of those go through, that NBEV should definitely be very successful, very big growing company, and I think this is going to be a very huge successful company, definitely in the years down the line. I want you guys to like, comment, share this video, share on what you guys think about this stock. Peace.